Been looking for some gifts for people that like tie-dye, and Jacquard is definitely the all-time #1 name in tie-dye, and this is a kit that can do 5 shirts. So let's take a look at what it comes with. It's going to come with 3 different squirt bottles, and the dye is already measured in there. You got turquoise, which is a great color, magenta, and yellow. So 3 great colors, especially when they start to mix. You get an ultimate, or a whole lot of different colors there. You got a bunch of strong rubber bands, some gloves, and then the instructions, which are going to give you a bunch of different ways to use the rubber bands and the dye. And then the soda fixer is the bag of powder in there, and that's what you wash your shirt in to get it into a state that's ready to tie dye. It's called fiber reactive dyes because you get the shirt's pH ready with that powder, and then you let it dry or you let it wet. It's kind of an artistic thing there. And then when you apply the dyes, they react in that pH level and really set in a permanent way. Really vibrant, bright colors, and they set permanently. They really allow you to do some really fun things. So this is a cool kit. I'm looking forward to what they're able to do with it. I probably should have got one for myself. But as you can see, made in the USA, where tie-dyes come from Jacquard. And this is their 5 shirt kit. Hope this helps.